Want is G.
Gusto.
Oh, gusto. Oh, you put that. You encircle the gusto or color it, okay? Oh, number 3.
Ay, color
Having a
naman.
pet. Having a pet. Pag-aalaga ng hayop. Gusto o kailangan? Pick one. Pag-aalaga ng hayop, kailangan ko bang mag-alaga ng hayop o gusto kong mag-alaga ng hayop?
Wait, we want a pet?
Oh, what is want in Tagalog? Just think agad, di ba? Want. Oh. Oh, gusto. That's correct. Oh, want a pet. Oh. Oh, look, oh. That's correct eh. Malungkot. Oh, how about this one? Ang kanyang laruan ay nasira.
Nasira.
It's broken.
Wait, who
Oh,
wrote it?
oh. No, that's not a question. Ano ang kanyang emosyon dahil nasira ang kanyang laruan? Siya ay
Lungkot.
lungkot.
They're
He's to
laughing
our
at-
bullies. Oh,
they're
that's
laughing at him
yes.
and his ear.
That's why he is sad. He is siya ay malungkot. Okay? Oh, how about this one? Yung pet niya, I think it's
It's
dead.
dead.